today we have a lot of ingredients right here. We're going with a classic ceviche. So our ingredients are just this right here. So our method and step of cooking that we're going to take today, we're going to go with a light boil for our jumbo prawns right there. Those are jumbo prawn tiger shrimp. So to me, these are extremely good. They're nice and thick, nice and meaty as well. You're going to get a good bite off of this and possibly even two. So second, we're going with just a store-bought salsa. And this is great for moms or, for kids. Kids love this kind of stuff. Anything with, some type of light shrimp. As a kid growing up, I loved shrimp. So we have a little bit of store-bought salsa. These are crostinis right here that we're going with. Okay? Just simple. And you can use any type of French baguette, anything to that nature, whatever fits your budget. A little bit of cubed butter right there. Some chopped garlic. Here we have a mixture of chopped Vidalia onions as well as chopped shallots. These are spices right here. Love to go with the sea salt as opposed to the table salt. A little bit more grainy, but definitely gives a better finish. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Just a little bit of a seafood seasoning. Just kind of give our shrimp a little bit of a kick to it. Last but not least, the mother of all spices, Old Bay, tying in with the shrimp. So these are our ingredients right here, and this is going to be our garnish platter. So that is it right there. Very simple, very easy. You have 6 things right there. So